Hey everyone, welcome back. This is episode 34 of Trading to a Million by JPS Trading. We're looking at the Wednesday, the 14th of October, 2020. This video is going to be a little bit different again. Obviously, we've got the new setup, but just to give you a quick recap, obviously we've got in early trade the Aussie futures around the US close at about 7 a.m. Traded to a little bit of the downside. And obviously we're just in the hours now where the domestic market is not open at the current time. So I'm just looking for an entry point to actually go short here. Now right at these levels, obviously from a technical basis, it seems like it's pretty close to a low. Obviously seeing that initially, this drop, this downward push in the initial stage made me feel like I might have missed a potential opportunity there, but nevertheless I didn't end up taking any trades there as it was, so I just decided just to be a little bit patient today. This was just going off the back of a strong win the day before that you probably saw in the last episode, which was really nice. Obviously this new trading setup is working quite nice as well. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, what you guys think of this side by side. I've got the futures open, so I'm actually just right now I've got the Australian futures because it's just past about 950, so I don't need to really pay too much attention to the S&P. This is just something that I just go off. So now we've had a bit of a bullish push, so I'm pretty happy with that, but I'm looking for a further extension for it to break these previous highs that occurred at about 6:30 or so just before the US closed. And look, if it does break that, I'm going to be looking for an entry just to get short there. So we will obviously see how this plays out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments section or as well. Obviously, I think I've said in prior videos, as well as obviously some feedback on these videos, you know, if you guys have any questions personally about the markets or anything like that that you'd like to know, I'm not here to give advice, as I said in the previous video. But yeah, if you just need someone to, you know, bounce a question off or something like that, just to get another opinion or, you know, just some feedback, that may well be helpful to you in terms of that. So feel free to do that. Always love to see your comments there, and your feedback. It's always been great. So yeah, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do down below. It really helps me out a lot. Obviously, I'm doing a big push. Obviously, trying to get out as many videos a week. I'm thinking in the coming weeks as well, I might try and do a video each day. So 5 trading videos a week. I'm planning potentially of doing maybe a weekly summary on Saturday, and then let's say a bit of a week ahead on Sunday, what we can expect. So the videos on the weekend might be a little bit shorter, but they'll be pretty to the point in terms of that. So it might be something for you guys to look at. But look, we're getting we're getting pretty close to about 10:30 now. So the market's well and truly opened. I'm looking for, obviously, as I said before, a break of that previous high. We're getting pretty close now. So I'm just looking for an erratic extension, something a little bit out of the ordinary, just to really clarify my entry point, because I was a little bit short on the market on this day, which if you traded, you may well not have thought this was a good idea, but I was just waiting for this push. So it looked like this push is moving in now. So basically I'm just looking for a final extension, you know, get pretty close to 61.80. And now I'm just monitoring it closely, because, you know, obviously going short is quite precarious in this situation, just because, well, if it's breaking a new high, not a lot of people are losing money at these levels, and, you know, people are worrying about, they're FOMOing at the moment and they're trying to buy up because they think they've missed a trend. So look, I'm just watching this closely just to see what the price action is doing, and look, from what we can see here, I'm just following up just with the US as well, just to see what that's doing, and I'm a little bit worried just because that's not really at the new high, but it's getting pretty close. And yeah, as soon as I start seeing that push further, it's just building on building. I decided to say, look, it's just time just to get out of that trade. Don't lose too much money. We'll just take out a $25 loss or so. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.